It's we go right ahead. We got a 2013 Morosiki Duracenter 5100 FOIMD control. So right now we're at 10, nice and quiet. Yes, sir. Machine has a chip conveyor. .30 ATC, Cat 40. Can we just move the table around and the head up and down? Yeah, you can pull that right down. Okay, devices aren't included on the machine. Alrighty, good. Got a probe on the table.